आई डोंट वांट माय स्टूडेंट्स टू मग अप। बोलते हैं ना, रट रट के पढ़ना नहीं भैया, मैं आपके दिमाग को बर्बाद कर दूंगा। ऐसा मार्क्स मैं आपको नहीं चाहता हूं कि यू स्कोर सच मार्क्स वेयर आपके दिमाग का नस फट जाए, प्रेशर से आप बर्बाद हो जाओ। और क्योंकि आपको प्रेशर है, योर पेरेंट्स दे वांट यू टू स्कोर हाई, यू आर इनटू अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट, यू नीड टू स्कोर हाई। बट क्या कुछ ऐसा मेथड है जो स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करे, उनको याद भी रह जाए, मज़ा भी आए, और इंस्टेंट, कोई लोड ही नहीं? वैसे ही कुछ मेथड मैं आपको सिखाना चाहता हूँ। म्यूज़िक so easy to remember. Can we study in a way where the studies seem music to us? Repeat after me, class. Teachers, they have been doing this. Repeat after me when we were small kids. So the point is, repetition is important. So whatever you are understanding today, you need to revise it, my friends. If you don't revise, it might get off your mind. Today you will be very happy, yes, I have understood everything, but if you do not repeat to your mind, it's not going to stay. So these are the basic fundamentals. Exaggeration works. Then there is a Baker paradox. This fellow's name is Mr. Baker, and this fellow's occupation baker. But when you try to recall the occupation, then you can imagine him with this big bakery hat. So whenever you imagine, that image comes to your mind instantly. You cannot remember names very easily, right? But you remember profession. If I say he's a police officer, at least you imagine that uniform, and you maybe you remember Singham. Pictures, visual information is easier to remember than abstract information. So whenever I'll teach, I'll try to create some pictures in the mind. Can you remember such long alphabets? Is there any formula? Yes, there is. See such letters, how you can remember. IBM, PhD, ACT, MTV. So we can simply now create a story. There is a guy working in IBM who is a PhD degree holder. He loves acting and he is taking classes from MTV. I'll try to teach you mnemonic methods. See, I'm just going through a brief overview of the course. Taking notes strengthens your memories, and there is a specific way to take notes. You guys want to take notes, and your notes should not be like this. So what are the best and appropriate methods? Well, there is another concept called mind mapping. When you go out for a war, you need to be ready with your weapons. And memory is the biggest weapon you can have. But you need to sharpen this tool. So I will tell you how you can train your memory. So this is the way we will make few mind charts. See, whenever we are studying history, history is date wise, it is linear, from top to bottom. So that is fine. History you can make notes in a linear fashion. But when I say mind mapping, you need not make the notes in a linear fashion. Let's take this example, physics. So in physics, we have Isaac Newton's law of motion, we have Einstein theory of relativity, we have electromagnetism, we have quantum mechanisms. But these cannot be organized in any linear fashion because they are all physics. So we need to train our mind and develop a system wherein the mind really helps us. Songs are very important. Can we create few songs, few formulas we can convert into songs? Can we do it? See, this is the way you can make your ICSE preparation in a very interesting way. Verbalization, like songs, rhyme, alliteration, these things are very memory friendly, my friends. And human mind is wired to remember stories. Most of my examples, I will try to wire it with some kind of stories. We know we start the story with once upon a time, and the mind is really so ready to listen to a story. So can you remember this? X, I, B, M, P, H, D, A, C, T, M, T, V, X. So there'll be a lot of words. See, you need to find out ways. Now I'm going to show you a very interesting thing. The link system. Trust me, my friends, it will change your life forever. Can you remember pen, shoe, book, aeroplane, eyeglasses, fish, coffee, printer? I'm going to teach you a system where you link the first item with the second item. So you need to link the pen with the shoe. So you need to imagine something. You need to link the pen and the shoe. How can you link? So pen and shoe, are you ready to link? So link two items together using exaggeration, my friend. लिंक सिस्टम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला, देखते रहिए. आइटम था पेन एंड शू. दिमाग में एग्जैजरेशन करना है. सो एग्जैजरेटेड माइंड. जस्ट इमेजिन दिस. मैंने इमेजिन कर लिया कि मैं शू पहन तो रखा हूं, बट वो कैसा शू है? पेन जैसा शू. आई नो दिस इज इलॉजिकल. सो इमेजिन करिए. अब अपने को शू एंड बुक को लिंक करना है. कैन वी इमेजिन अ बुक वॉकिंग विद द शूज ऑन? किताब चल रहा है, क्या दिक्कत है? दिमाग को क्रिएटिव बनाओ. You can imagine this. Once I told imagine a book walking with a shoe. Of course, you all did that. I'm just trying to show you a picture so that it helps you. Now we need to imagine book and aeroplane. Can we imagine a very big book flying along with the aeroplane? Can we? Yes, of course we can, because we need to link. This is called the link system. We need to link the 9 names together. So let's see. Here we are. It's my mind, it's my imagination. I will imagine whatever I want to. Nobody can stop me, my friend. See, the main idea is I will remember all the 9 items. So, the similar fashion, we need to break down our 9 concepts, or if we need to remember 9 points, we need to choose few of the important words from those points. And can we link? So, airplane and air glasses. So, airplane is wearing an eyeglass. Eyeglass and fish. The fish can also wear the eyeglass. Fish and coffee. The fish is swimming in coffee. And you can imagine the smell of the coffee along with having fish. Coffee and printer. I was printing a project of my school examination. Oh my god. And this ink is absolutely smelling like a coffee. So these are the link methods, my friend. Memory palace technique. This is also a wonderful technique.